If you're switching proxy providers and your scripts still need to run, you're not starting from zero. Here's how to migrate to IPRoyal without rebuilding your integration from scratch. Switching proxy providers can feel stressful, but most of what you already built does not need to change. Our team supports the process end to end, at no cost, so you don't have to do this alone. Before you start with the migration, here are a few things to take care of. Since none of this depends on access to your old provider, you can do it right away. Document every endpoint, credential set, and integration tied to your old setup. This information lives in your own scripts and environments, not on the provider's side. Treat any old credentials as compromised and remove them from every script, config file, and integration. Review recent card charges and cancel any auto top-ups tied to your old provider so nothing continues to bill. Watch for anyone contacting you about refunds or account recovery that you didn't initiate, and treat unsolicited outreach as suspicious. With that done, you're ready to migrate. Here's how to migrate to IPRoyal in 4 steps. Number 1. Create your IPRoyal account. Sign up with your email and password and access our self-service dashboard in minutes. Number 2. Choose your proxy type and place your order. Match what you already used, residential, ISP, data center, or mobile proxies, or go with the type recommended for you at sign-up. Select your locations, choose a plan or traffic volume that works for you, and complete your order. You'll instantly get access to your credentials. Number 3. Replace your endpoints and credentials. This is the only part that touches your code. A proxy connection has 4 components: host, port, username, and password. That structure holds across providers, so migrating means updating only those 4 values. Here are a few examples using our residential proxies. In Python, replace your old proxy provider's username, password, hostname, and port with your IPRoyal proxy credentials. Same pattern in Node. Replace your old provider's username, password, hostname, and port with your IPRoyal's proxy credentials. And in curl, it's updating one line. Change only those 4 values with your IPRoyal's details. Once those 4 values are updated, your endpoint is fully migrated. Nothing else in your integration needs to change. If you would rather not manage a username and password at all, IPRoyal also supports IP whitelisting. With this option, access is tied to specific IPs, so your team can connect without sharing or storing any credentials. Number 4. Verify your setup. Run the free Proxy Tester in your dashboard. It checks status, protocol, and speed for each proxy so you know your setup works before it carries real traffic. Once that checks out, your migration is done. Make sure you update any remaining scripts or environments still pointing to your old provider, and you're fully on IPRoyal. Whether you're migrating one script or a full multi-environment setup, talk to our team at IPRoyal. We'll help you plan, prioritize your migration, and validate everything at no cost.